Welcome, fam. Woke up feeling foggy even though you technically got enough sleep? It's not just your head that's slow to start, it's your hips. Let's wake them up before the rest of the day gets your energy. Let's hit the mat. Your hips are the foundation of your stride, your posture, even your breath. But after hours of sitting or sleeping, they default to tight and disconnected. This move flips the switch. Come tall forwards, hands under shoulders, knees under hips. Keep your knee bent, lift your right leg out to the side. Lower it with control, repeat slowly. Switch sides after 30 seconds. You feel glute activation, deep hip socket rotation, core bracing to stay balanced. This restores hip control so your spine doesn't overcompensate and your legs can move freely again. You'll need this awareness for the internal rotation challenge coming up next. Pause at the top, lower 3 seconds slower. Ready? Go. Are you lifting from your hip or swinging your leg? That just reconnected your hip to your core. Now let's dig deeper into your range. Most of us stretch the outside of our hips, but tightness inside, that's what throws your walk off and makes squats feel sticky. Stay in a low squat position, then drop your right knee towards your left foot. Come back to center and drop your left knee towards your right foot. Lower with control and keep switching sides. You'll feel movement deep in the hip socket, gentle tension along the groin or side glute. Internal rotation is key to joint health, injury prevention, and powerful movement mechanics. Most people avoid this, but it's the missing link to fluid walking and running. Hold the lifted foot 2 seconds before switching. Let's go. Are you bracing your core or wobbling through the motion? That just unlocked internal rotation. Now let's take it vertical. Now we tested standing. This isn't just mobility, it's control, balance, and intention. Stand tall, drive your right knee up to hip height. Rotate it outward, then lower. Alternate sides with rhythm, but don't rush. You'll feel your hips stabilizing, glutes and core engagement, and control balance. This primes your hips for walking, running, or even standing with better alignment all day. We're about to take all this control and direct it back into power. Keep your balance as you rotate. Don't let momentum take over. Are you rotating your hip or twisting your whole body? That just activated your whole kinetic chain. Now let's drive down into power. This is about strength with grace, not just moving, but moving from the right place. Kneel tall, toes flat, or tucked under. Sit your hips back towards your heels, then drive them forward using your glutes, not your back. Keep the spine tall, chest proud. You're gonna feel your front hip stretch as you rise, glute engagement as you extend. This builds hip extension, a foundational movement for posture, walking, and releasing lower back pressure. Weak hip extension can lead to slouched shoulders and shallow breathing. Pause at the top, lock in, 5-second hold, go. Are you leading from your glutes or leaning with your back? That just powered up your posture. Now let's mount the chain. Everything we activated now gets stretched. But this isn't about touching your toes. It's about letting go. Stand tall, feet under hips. Inhale, arms reach up. Exhale, hinge at the hips, fold forward. Let your arms heavy, knees can bend. You're gonna feel lengthening through your hamstrings, calves, spine. A release from your lower back to your breath. Forward folds calm the nervous system, decompress the spine, and we'll close the session with restoration. This stretch lowers cortisol and increases circulation to the brain. One more breath and soften into the fold. 5 seconds. Are you just hanging forward or fully releasing? That just seals your reset, strength, control, and surrender in one. But tension doesn't just live in your muscles and joints, it lives in your mind, it shows up in your habits, it drains your energy even when you sleep 8 hours. When you're burned out, stuck in survival mode, or striving without rest, you don't need a harder plan, you need a reset that nourishes your body, clears your mind, and centers your spirit. That's what the 3-day reset is built for. Daily stretch flows that reconnect you to your body, scripture plus mindset shifts to clear the mental fog, a Bible-based nutrition guide that fuels energy without obsession. It's your full body rhythm reboot, rooted in truth, not trends. If you've been running on empty, this is how you come back stronger. Tap the link in the description or pinned comment to start your free 3-day reset now, because the goal isn't just progress, it's peace that lasts.